What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental skill that every home cook should master: breaking down a whole chicken. Not only is it cost effective, but it also gives you the flexibility to cook each part to perfection. Plus, you'll learn some pro tips along the way. Let's get started. All you need is a sharp chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, and of course, a whole chicken. Let's turn this bird into dinner-ready pieces. We're going to start by cutting the skin at the bottom of the breast to expose the thigh meat. The knife should cut straight through the skin. Then flip the bird over. There are two morsels of meat on the back of the thigh. They're called the oyster. You want to make sure you cut around those when you cut the thigh off. First, we got to pop the thigh bone out of socket by bending the legs backwards like this. Cut around the oyster and then cut down to separate the leg quarter from the body. Then do the same on the other side. Cut around the oyster and down to separate. Now you have two leg quarters ready to go. Flip the bird back over, and now we're going to tackle the wings. So you want to stand the bird up, let gravity help you as you slit through the joint of the wing. Do the same thing on the other side. I like to cut a little bit of the breast meat as I cut off the wing. Move those aside. Now we're going to separate the breast. I like to cut the backbone off first. We can use this for stock, so put it aside, freeze it, just don't throw it away. To cut the breast, cut a slit down the middle, and then with the back of the knife, press down to break through the bone. Then continue to slice with long strokes. If you get resistance, adjust your knife. You might have to flip it over to get it to cut through. Now we have two breast halves ready to go. Let's clean them up a little bit by trimming some of these bone fragments off. Now let's separate the leg quarters. Find the fat line and take your knife and cut straight through it. Make sure you cut through the skin also. Now you have a leg and thigh separated. Do the same thing for the other side by cutting through the fat line. Now we have 8 pieces here: 2 thighs, 2 legs, 2 breasts, and 2 wings. I like to cut the breasts in half to make more uniform pieces. And there you have it, a whole chicken broken down into 10 perfect pieces. Not only does this save you money, but it also gives you the freedom to cook each part exactly how you like it. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to cook chicken: roasted, grilled, fried, or air fried. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more kitchen tips and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.